Now we'll see the exercise sums. Exercise 1.5. First question is using adjacent Venn diagram, find the sets. First one is A minus B. If you see the Venn diagram, they given A, B and C. So first take and write what are the elements present in A. So if you close the other region, other circle B and C, you can get -1, -2, 3, 4 and 6 are the elements present in A. So take and write it down. -2, -1, 3, 4 and 6. Now elements in B. That is, if you close the A and close the circle C, you will get the circle B. That is -1, -2, 5, 7 and 8. And now you have to find out the elements of C. If you close the element of C, you have to close circle A and circle B. Therefore, -2, -3, 0, 3 and 8. And then universal set is, you have to write all the elements. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2 and minus. Now find the answer for the first question, A minus B. So write all the elements of A, that is -2, -1, 3, 4 and 6. Then minus element B is -2, -1, 5, 7 and 8. Now what is meant by A minus B? The elements of A but not the elements of B. So see to that any elements of B is present in A. If it is present, strike it out. So here -2. So in set A, -2. So strike out the -2 and then again if you see here -1 is present in set B. In A also it present, so strike out the -1. Therefore the remaining, take and write the remaining element. A minus B is equal to 3, 4 and 6. Next question is B minus C. Now write the elements of B, that is -2, -1, 5, 7, 8. Minus element of C is -3, -2, 0, 3 and 8. You have to find B minus C. That means if any elements of C is present in A means in B means strike out that elements and write the remaining elements from that B. So if you see here -2 is present in C and also in B. So strike it out. And then no other element here 8 is present. Here also 8 is there. So strike out that 8. So no elements are same. The remaining, take and write down the remaining element, that is -1, 5 and 7. Your third question is complement of A union complement of B. So first find out the complement of A. What is meant by complement of A? All the elements of universal set and not the element of A. So take and write the elements of universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3. And elements of A is here. -2, -1, 3, 4 and 6. Then you have to strike out the elements from A. If the elements of A is present in the universal set, strike it out. So here if you see -1, then -2, then 3, 4 and 6. Take and write down the remaining element, that is 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. 8 and -3. Now find out the complement of B. Complement of B is U minus B. U minus B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -1, -2, -3. Then elements of B is -2, -1, 5, 7 and 8. Now strike out the elements which is present in B. That is -2, -1, then 5, 7 and 8. The remaining element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and -3. Now what you have to find out? Complement of A union complement of B. What is meant by complement of A union complement of B? Union means you have to write all the elements of complement of A and all the elements of complement of B. So if you see the complement of A is 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, -3. And then complement of B is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and -3. Now write all the elements together. 0, 1, 2, then 3 is present, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -3. Next one is complement of A intersection complement of B. Do as a homework. Even your fifth sum also your homework sum. Complement of B union C. Now we'll see your sixth sum, that is A minus B union C. Your sixth question is A minus B union C. First you have to find out the bracket B union C. Write the elements of B -2, -1, 5, 7 and 8. Union elements of C is -3, -2, 0, 3 and 8. Now take and write all the numbers together. -3, -2, -1, 0, 3, 5, 7 and 8. Now the next one is A minus B union C. So A minus B union C is equal to, write the elements of A, minus 2, minus 1, 3, 4 and 6, minus B union C. That is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 5, 7 and 8. Now minus means you know very well. If any of the element of B union C is present in A, strike out that elements and write the remaining elements. So here 2 minus 1, then 3, that's all. So your answer is 4 and 6. The elements of 4 and 6. Then your next question is A minus B intersection C. Here homework sum. Second sum is if K is equal to A, B, D, E, F and L is equal to B, C, D, G, M is equal to A, B, C, D, H, then find the following. First one is A union L intersection M. So we'll see first K union L intersection M. What you have to do it first? First find out the bracket. So L union M. Take and write the elements of L, B, C, D and G. Union elements of M, A, B, C, D and H. What is mean by union? Union means you have to write the elements together. So write it down. A, B, C, D, G, H. Now K union L. Sorry students, here they given L intersection M. So change as intersection. Here also inter. Intersection means the element which is common in both the sets. So what are the elements common in both the sets? B, C and D. So take and write B, C and D. Next one is K union L intersection M. So take and write the elements of K. What are the elements of K? A, B, D, E, F. Union L intersection M. That is B, C and D. Union means together you have to write it down. A, B, C, D, E and F. Have you understood? First you have to find out the bracket. So in the bracket they given L intersection M. First take and write down the elements of L and elements intersection elements of M. Intersection means the element which is common in both the sets. So if you see the common elements are B, C and D. Here also B, C and D. So take and write down that one. And next question is K union L intersection M. So take and write down the elements of K union L intersection M. Now here union is there. Union means all the elements you have to write it in set A, B, C, D, E and F. Your next question, second, third and fourth question, your homework sums. Now we will verify the distributive laws. Verify the distributive law. First take and write down the law. K union L intersection M is equal to K union L intersection K union M. Last sum we found out the value of K union L intersection M. So take and write down that value. That is, if you see here, A, B, C, D, E, F. K union L intersection M, what we found out? A, B, C, D, E and F. Take and write it down in your left hand side. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now you have to find out your right hand side. Right hand side is, first one is K union L intersection K union M. So take and write down the elements of K first. What are the elements of K? A, B, D, E and F. Union elements of L. Elements of L is B, C, D and G. Union means to. So K union L is, union means together you have to write all the elements in the set A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Next one is K union M. This is your first one. Next K union M is, again write the elements of K, A, B, D, E, F and union elements of M is A, B, C, D and H. So what are the elements of K union M? A, B, C, D, E, F and H. Now the next one is K union L intersection K union M. So take and write the K union L as, this is your second equation. K union L is A, B, C, D, E, F and G intersection A, K union M is A, B, C, D, E, F and H. K union L intersection K union M is, intersection means the element which is common in both the sets, you have to take and write it down. Therefore A, B, then C, D, E, F. So if you see the right hand side and the left hand side, both the answers are same. Your left hand side is A, B, C, D, E, F and your right hand side answer is A, B, C, D, E, F. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, verified. Your next distributive law is K in intersection L union M is equal to K intersection L and then union K intersection M. So first find out your left hand side, K intersection L union M, which is equal, first find out L union M. L union M is equal to elements of L. Elements of L is B, C, D and G. Union elements of M is A, B, C, D and H, which is equal to A, B, C, D, G and H. Now K intersection L union M. Elements of K is A, B, D, E and F. Then intersection A, B, C, D, G, H. Now if you see means intersection means elements which is common in both the sets. If you see here, the common in both the set is A, B and D. Your left hand side is your first equation. Then right hand side, K intersection L union K intersection M. So first one, K intersection L is equal to, what are the elements of K? A, B, D, E, F. Intersection element of L is B, C, D, H. So intersection means which is common. So if you see here, common is B, then D. Then again next one is K intersection M. Elements of K is A, B, D, E and F. Intersection elements of M is A, B, D, C, D and H. Intersection means which is common in both. If you see here, common is A, then B and then D. Now your final answer is K intersection L union K intersection M. If you see here, K intersection L is B and D and K intersection M is A, B. Now K intersection L union K intersection M. K intersection L is what you had got, B and D. Then union K intersection M is A, B and D. What is mean by union? Together you have to write it down. Therefore A, B and D. So if you see the equation 1 and equation 2, both are same. Take and write your answer that LHS equal to RHS. It is verified. Your third question is your homework sum. Then we'll see your fourth one. Fourth question is, verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C using the Venn diagram. First you will see, take the left hand side, A union B intersection C. So here always you have to find out the bracket first, B intersection C. So if you see here B intersection C, this is the circle A, B and C. Intersection means what? The region which is common to both B and the C. So B intersection C means the region which is common to both B and C. So this is your circle B and here your circle. So this is your circle B and circle C. If you see here, which is a common to both A and B and C. If you see here, the circle B and C. This region is common to both the circle B and the C. So first shade the B intersection C. Have you understood? See the circle B and circle C. Intersection means which is common to both the region. So if you see this region is common, shade that region. Now next if you see here, A union B intersection C. Union means what? Together. That is the region of A and then region of B intersection C. Together you have to shade it. So you already found out that B intersection C is this region. Please use your scale to draw the lines. And then now you have to shade the region of A. So this is your circle A. A union means together. That is A union B intersection C. So already you found out what is B intersection C. Shade that region and then circle A. Circle A is this region. Fully you have to shade it. Please use your scale to shade the region. Have you understood, students? Next one, your right hand side. First one is A union B intersection A union C. So first A union B. What is meant by A union B? Union means you have to shade all the region of the A and all the region of the B. So if you see here, the circle A fully you have to shade it and then circle B. Full region you have to shade. So shade the full region. Then your next question is A union C. So if you take the three circle, this is A, B and C. Now A union C. What is the A union C means? You have to shade the region of A and region of C. See the circle A and then circle C. Fully you have to shade it. Now what is your next one? A union B intersection A union C. Now you have to shade the region which is common in both A union B intersection A union C. If you see here, intersection means you know very well the region which is common to both A union B and A union C. See the figure here, A union B and A union C. Which region is common? This full circle region of A is fully shaded. Yes or no? So take and shade the circle of A. Then which is common here? Other than that A, if you see here this circle, this region here, it is common, yes or no? So shade this region also. Have you understood, students? Intersection means which is common to both A union B and A union C. So see the figure which is commonly shaded. That region you have to shade it. Because intersection means which is common in both the sets. Have you understood? Shall I explain it again? Your question is verify A union B intersection C. First one is your left hand side. If you see the left hand side, first please find out the bracket B intersection C. So draw the three circle and name it A, B and C. Here the circle B and circle C. See the region. Intersection means which is common to both the circle. If you see the region, this region is common. So shade that region. Next one is A union B intersection C. What is mean by union? Union means together. Everything you have to do it. So A. Shade the region of the A. And then B intersection C. Union of B intersection C. So which region we have found out that B intersection C? This region. So shade that region. Next one is your right hand side is A union B intersection A union C. A union B first find out. Union means all the region of A and all the region of B shaded. And then again A union C is all the region of A and all the region of C. Then A union B intersection A union C. Intersection means which is common in both the figure. If you see the figure, the A circle is fully shaded and then this region. If you see here, this region is fully, it's common in both, shaded in both the A union B and A union C. So shade that region also. Have you understood? Then your 5th and 7th question is your homework question. Complete all the worked out sums in your classwork note and homework sum in the homework part and submit the notebook to the office room without fail. The remaining sums we will see in the next class. Thank you, students.